Hey everyone! Today we're making the easiest chocolate cake ever. It's really just 3 simple steps. Mix, bake, and done. And the result is a super soft, rich, chocolatey cake. Let's get started. First, we add our flour to the bowl. Next, we pour in the sugar. Then we add the cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor. Now we sprinkle in the baking powder. A little vanilla goes in for that sweet aroma. Then we add the butter. Next, we add the cream to make our cake extra soft. And finally, we crack in 2 eggs. Now we grab our mixer and start blending everything together until the batter becomes smooth and creamy. Keep mixing just until everything is fully combined. Don't overmix. For a smoother batter, we slowly pour in 1 cup of hot water while mixing. Adding the water gradually helps everything blend perfectly. You'll see the batter get thinner and shinier. That's exactly what we want. Just keep mixing until it all comes together beautifully. Now we use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl, making sure every bit of batter is mixed in. This step helps the batter stay smooth and perfectly combined. Now we start mixing again to make sure everything blends together smoothly and evenly. Just a little more mixing helps the batter get perfectly smooth. You'll notice the texture becoming silky. That means it's ready. Once the batter reaches this smooth texture, our mixture is ready. This is exactly the consistency we're looking for. Now we take our baking pan and spray it well with oil so nothing sticks. Now we pour our cake batter into the pan. Make sure it spreads evenly so the cake bakes perfectly. Place the pan in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 50 minutes. Once our cake is perfectly baked, we pour melted chocolate over the top. Spread it evenly so every slice gets that delicious chocolatey goodness. And that's it! Our easiest chocolate cake ever is ready to enjoy. Beautiful chocolate cake, soft, moist, and so chocolatey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!